Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna jump straight into this video. So first I'm taking my Hicolor in the color Magenta and I'm just squeezing all of that into my bowl. Then I'm gonna take my Salon Care 30 developer and I'm just gonna mix those together. And you want to just mix the two until it's super creamy. So as you can see, I already got one side of my head out the way, so I'm just going to show you all how I applied this to the other half of my head. So I know that you're supposed to do this in a different method, but yeah, I was kind of being lazy and I just wanted to get it out the way. So I'm just rubbing this product all through my hair and I'm just using my fingers to really get between my hair and making sure I get the ends, making sure I get all in my roots, and I'm just basically applying that product all over my hair. So after I applied it on my hair, I let it sit in for about a good 20 to 30 minutes because it normally doesn't take long for your hair to really change, and I didn't want such a super bright color like how my hair was the first time. As you guys can see on my thumbnail, that was how my hair was the first time I ever colored my hair. It was super red, so I wanted something kind of dark. So after I let it sit, of course I rinse it out with cold water. With the cold water, it helps the hair to really like that color to really lock in and stay. And then of course I did my regular wash routine. I wash my hair, deep condition it, let it sit, and rinse the conditioner out. And the next day, as you all can see now, this is just the next day of how I styled my hair. And yeah, pretty much had to just put my hair in a bun because yeah, had to go to class or whatever. So yeah, I kind of like the scarf on it too though. That was kind of cute, but it's just a sleek back bun. So yeah, I do think that this method of coloring your hair is way better and a little more safer than actually bleaching your hair. This is the final review of how I colored my hair. So your girl got class and I'm hungry, so I will see y'all in my next video.